Welcome to our comprehensive guide focusing on the manifold benefits of integrating a 30-minute daily elliptical workout into your routine. The elliptical trainer, a highly favored choice in both gym facilities and home setups, presents a wide array of advantages that profoundly impact overall health and fitness. This exercise stands out due to its low-impact nature, being exceptionally gentle on joints, thereby making it an optimal selection for individuals across diverse age groups and fitness capacities. Its seamless, elliptical motion engages an extensive range of muscle groups including the legs, arms, core, and glutes, fostering a comprehensive full-body workout. Not only does it efficiently aid in burning calories, contributing significantly to weight management, but it also plays a pivotal role in augmenting cardiovascular health by fortifying heart function and ameliorating endurance levels. Consistent sessions on the elliptical machine not only aid in improving balance, coordination, and bone density but also assist in muscle strengthening. Additionally, this workout acts as a potent stress reducer by stimulating the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers. An exceptional advantage lies in its versatility, the ability to tweak intensity, resistance, and incline settings to align with specific fitness objectives, whether aimed at fat loss, endurance enhancement, or muscle toning. Emphasizing consistency. Dedicating just 30 minutes daily can yield remarkable and lasting results over time, offering a holistic approach to fitness by bolstering stamina and overall well-being. This workout transcends mere physical benefits, extending its positive impact on mental and emotional health, rendering it an accessible and efficient exercise option for all seeking a transformative health and fitness journey. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of dedicating 30 minutes daily to the elliptical workout. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just beginning your wellness journey, integrating this routine into your daily life can bring about profound changes. Remember, your journey to a healthier you starts with taking that first step on the elliptical. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insightful content on fitness and well-being. And I will also recommend you to watch other videos on my YouTube channel. Links are on the screen now. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.